Hello everyone, this is Beloved Technology. In this tutorial, I'll be teaching you how you can install Windows 11 on an unsupported system, or let me say on any system. So let's start. So first, Rufus, we are going to be using Rufus. Yes, we'll be using Rufus for this tutorial. So Rufus make it very easy because it removes the hardware restriction automatically. So the first step now is for us to download the Windows 11 ISO file itself. So because we are going to need Windows 11 ISO file, so and the link will be in the description below. So now here is the you can just search for Windows 11 ISO download online, but this is the link already. So once you are there, you will come down to this place that says download Windows 11 disk ISO for 64-bit device. So once you are there, you just don't click here. You click on select download, and then you select Windows 11 monthly edition for 64-bit. So after that, you click on confirm. So then after clicking on confirm, you notice that we have another drop down here. So you click on the language to choose your language. Click on English. Depending on your language, anyone you choose, just select. I'll be choosing English United States. So then you click on confirm again. So the link, I will have dropped the original link, but this link always expires after 24 hours. So you need to generate that link yourself and download it. So once this comes up, that means you can now click on download. So you click on 64-bit download. So and then your download will start automatically here. So as you can see, download started again and has already started. So once you are done downloading your Windows 11 ISO file from Microsoft official website, like as you can see, it's the Microsoft official website. So the link will be in the description below. So the next step for us is to download Rufus. Like I said, we'll be using Rufus for this tutorial. So the direct link to download it is already in the description below, and you can also visit the website directly from here. So now we're going to Rufus. So depending on whether you visit the site or not. So if you visit the site, you will scroll down to this place, that's this place, and then you click on Rufus. The latest version is advisable to download the latest version. So you click on this one, and then once you click on it, it will start downloading again automatically. As you can see, Rufus already downloaded. Now, so once you are done with that, the next thing you will need for this tutorial is your flash drive. You will need a flash drive, at least 8 gig flash drive. You need a 8 gig flash drive for this tutorial. So now with this flash drive, I'm going to insert it into the system now. So once the flash drive is inserted and it's working fine, like I said, it must be 8 gig, at least 8 gig, higher than 8 gig. And you should also know that every data on that flash drive will be deleted. So if you have important file there, please copy it and back it up somewhere before using the flash drive. So now the next step for us is to open Rufus. And to do that, we are going to go to, so we're going to, once the Rufus is downloaded, you can double click or right click and then click on run as administrator. I usually run it as administrator in order to give it more permission to run successfully. So you click on yes and then wait for Rufus to pop up. So if you do not insert your flash drive, you will not see anything here. So that's why you must insert your flash drive before running it. So make sure you insert your flash drive. So by then you'll be able to see your flash drive here. So this is the flash drive I'm using right now. And then you don't need to select anything here. Just come here and select the Windows 11. I believe we have already downloaded the Windows 11 ISO file. So you just click on select here. You click on select for you to select that Windows 11 ISO file. So I'm going to head straight to where I downloaded it and keep it. So this is it here. Windows 11 25 H2 English and 64-bit. So I'm going to double click on it and open it. So Now once you see that this place indicates ready, this side it indicates ready, so it means you are ready to go. But before that, let's discuss a few things, some things you need to do here, because naturally if I click on start, it will just allow me to boot from flash drive, but you will still face that problem. You won't be able to install it in your computer because of the requirements for Windows 11. So now these are some tweaks we are going to do to make sure it boots successfully on any system. So now this is what we are going to do. So we are going to first of all we are going to, you leave this one here and then you change this one to MBR, depending on your system type, but it's advisable to use MBR. Reason because, so if you choose MBR, it allows you to install on any of those type, either the old type of system or the new type of system. So once you're done with that, you can leave all these ones the way they are and then you click on start. So once you click on start, this is where the magic happens now. So these two has already been ticked for us automatically, but if you prefer any of these other options, you can tick them. They are not that important, they are just an optional, they are optional. The main issue has already been solved with this. When you tick on this, it will remove the requirements for 64-bit and secure boot and TPM 2.0 everything. So once you tick only on this one, you can successfully install Windows 11 on your system without any error using Rufus and the flash drive you are using now. So but if you still feel like you don't want the account, you don't maybe you don't want data collection, privacy questions, issues, you can just click on them. They all work perfectly. So once you are done, you click on OK. So it will warn you that it's going to delete all your data. Just click on OK again, and then it will start deleting and then partitioning that flash drive to work as a bootable device. So let's wait for it to finish creating the file and preparing it for So once you see that this place appears, shows ready again, it means the ISO file has been successfully partitioned into your flash drive. So now what we are going to do now is that we are going to close this Rufus and we are going to restart the system. So after restarting the system, then the next step is for us to boot from that flash drive. So we are going to be seeing that now. Let's do that. Depending on your system type, either HP. For my system, F9 is for boot option. So I'm going to be pressing F9 on HP. F9. So from this boot option, you can see that we have, if you look at it closely, we have notebook hard drive and we also have USB. You look for something that says USB, boot from USB. So depending on your system type, if you toggle F2 sometime, if you toggle up, usually sometimes F9 for HP, and some system use F10 and so on. So just try either F10, F9 or F2 or F12. So then you locate the USB. So you now click on USB. So once you click on USB hard drive, press enter or use your mouse if you don't have allowed to use mouse. So click on USB and then press any key to boot from USB. You press any key instantly to boot from USB. So now you see that the Windows 11 is going to load now. It's going to load. All right, as you can see, we can see that we are able to successfully load Windows 11. So and then from here you choose your language and time, and then you click on next. So if you like, you can choose any keyboard. I will be leaving it at US also, and then click on next. Trust me, That's how I install on this old system I'm using right now, and it's working fine. Thank you very much for watching this tutorial. Please do well to like our video, subscribe so that you can watch more tutorials like this on Beloved Technology channel. Bye!